Packing the same old way for every trip? That's about to change. Today, we're revealing 20 must-have travel essentials on Amazon for every trip, featuring smart, futuristic gadgets and upgrade-ready gear designed to make traveling smoother and stress-free. From compact tools that save space to clever accessories that level up comfort and convenience, this list is packed with travel game changers. Stick around till the end, because a few of these essentials might completely transform how you travel. Number 1. JOYROOM Phone Holder. This small travel essential makes a big difference the moment your trip starts. Whether you're following GPS, recording road moments, or taking hands-free calls, the JOYROOM phone holder keeps your phone stable and easy to see. It installs in seconds, grips firmly, and stays steady even on rough roads. No slipping, no distractions, just safer, smoother driving every time. For the price, it's a smart travel upgrade. Amazon deals are limited, so click the link in the description and grab yours before it's gone. Number 2. Xenvo Pro Lens Kit. If you love capturing memories, this is a travel game changer. The Xenvo Pro Lens Kit instantly upgrades your phone camera, giving you sharper wide-angle shots and stunning macro detail without carrying bulky gear. Perfect for city views, food photos, or scenic landscapes, it clips on securely and travels light. For content creators and casual travelers alike, it's a smart buy that delivers real value. Amazon stock moves fast. Click the link in the description and grab yours before this deal disappears. Number 3. Portable door lock. Peace of mind matters when you're away from home, and this portable door lock delivers exactly that. It adds an extra layer of security to hotel rooms, Airbnbs, and rentals without tools or installation. Lightweight and pocket-friendly, it's perfect for solo travelers and families who want to sleep worry-free. Simple to use and incredibly effective. It's one of those essentials you'll wish you packed sooner. Limited availability on Amazon. Click the link now and secure yours today. Number 4. Hidden Camera Detector. Travel smarter and protect your privacy wherever you stay. This hidden camera detector helps you quickly scan hotel rooms, bathrooms, and rentals for unwanted surveillance. Compact and easy to use, it gives you confidence in unfamiliar spaces within seconds. For travelers who value safety and control, this is a must-have that pays for itself in peace of mind. Deals don't last long on items like this. Click the link in the description and grab one before it sells out. Number 5. MiiKARE Phone Holder. Long drives and road trips feel effortless. With the MiiKARE phone holder by your side, it keeps your phone stable for navigation, calls, or music without constant adjustments. The strong grip holds firm on rough roads, while the adjustable angle keeps your screen perfectly visible. It's a simple upgrade that makes traveling safer and less stressful. For the price, it's an easy win. Amazon quantities are limited. Click the link below and pick yours up now. Number 6. Zuihug Travel Pill Organizer. Staying organized on the road can be tough, but this travel pill organizer makes it simple. The Zuihug Pill Organizer keeps your daily meds or vitamins neatly sorted and easy to access. Compact, lightweight, and leak-resistant, it fits perfectly in carry-ons or backpacks. No more guessing or bulky bottles while traveling. It's practical, affordable, and incredibly useful for every trip. Amazon deals won't last. Click the link in the description and grab yours today. Number 7. JISULIFE USB Mini Fan. Heat and travel don't mix well, but this mini fan fixes that fast. The JISULIFE USB Mini Fan delivers powerful airflow in a compact, travel-friendly design. Perfect for flights, hotel rooms, outdoor tours, or crowded places, it keeps you cool without noise or bulk. Rechargeable and lightweight, it's a lifesaver during summer trips. Once you use it, you won't travel without it. Limited time Amazon pricing. Click the link now before it's gone. Number 8. BAODINI Travel Umbrella. Weather shouldn't ruin your plans, and this travel umbrella makes sure it doesn't. The BAODINI Travel Umbrella is compact, lightweight, and built to handle sudden rain or strong wind. It fits easily in backpacks or carry-ons, making it perfect for unpredictable destinations. Durable construction and quick open design make it reliable when you need it most. For frequent travelers, it's a smart buy at a great price. Click the link below. Amazon stock is limited. Number 9. MZOO Sleep Eye Mask. Quality sleep on the go changes everything, and the MZOO Sleep Eye Mask delivers it. Designed with deep eye cups, it blocks out light completely without pressing on your eyes. Perfect for flights, hotels, or midday naps, it helps you rest better anywhere. Soft, breathable, and adjustable, it feels premium without the high price. Once you try it, you'll never travel without one. Grab this Amazon deal now. Click the link before it sells out. Number 10. Autallgee charging cable. Running out of battery while traveling is frustrating, but this charging cable solves it instantly. The Autallgee charging cable is built for speed, durability, and convenience, keeping your devices powered wherever you go. Perfect for cars, power banks, or hotel charging stations, it's compact and travel-ready. Strong connectors mean no fraying or slow charging. For frequent travelers, it's a no-brainer upgrade. Amazon deals are limited. Click the link in the description and grab yours now. Number 11. BAGSMR Jewelry Organizer Traveling with Jewelry. Jewelry doesn't have to mean tangled chains and lost earrings. The BAGSMR Jewelry Organizer keeps everything neatly separated and protected in one compact case with smart compartments and soft padding. It prevents scratches while saving space in your luggage. Perfect for short trips or long vacations. It adds organization without bulk. Stylish, practical, and affordable, it's a smart travel upgrade. Amazon quantities are limited. Click the link in the description and grab yours before it's gone. Number 12. LEICEX Sound Machine. Sleeping in unfamiliar places can be tough, but the sound machine makes it easy. The LEICEX sound machine creates calming white noise that blocks out hotel sounds, traffic, or noisy neighbors. Compact and travel-friendly, it's perfect for light sleepers and families on the go. Better sleep means better travel days, and this delivers consistently. For the price, it's an easy yes. Amazon deals move fast. Click the link now and secure yours today. Number 13. FLYGA Drinkinium Phone Holder. Flying just got more comfortable with this clever travel accessory. The FLYGA Drinkinium phone holder attaches easily to airplane trays, holding your drink securely while keeping your phone at the perfect viewing angle. No spills, no awkward balancing, just hands-free comfort during flights. It's lightweight, compact, and surprisingly useful once you try it. Frequent flyers swear by it. Limited Amazon availability. Click the link in the description and grab one before your next trip. Number 14. JISULIFE Handheld Fan. Hot destinations and long lines become much easier with this handheld fan. The JISULIFE Handheld Fan delivers strong airflow in a sleek, portable design that fits right into your bag. Rechargeable and quiet, it's ideal for sightseeing, airports, and outdoor adventures. When the heat hits, this fan feels like a lifesaver. Affordable, reliable, and travel-ready. It's a smart pickup. Amazon deals won't last. Click the link now before it sells out. Number 15. Mrsdry Travel Bottle Set. Packing liquids doesn't have to be messy or stressful. The Mrsdry Travel Bottle Set keeps your shampoo, lotion, and skincare organized and leak-free, TSA-friendly, and reusable. These bottles save space while protecting your luggage from spills. Soft, squeezable design makes them easy to use anywhere. For travelers who like staying organized, this set is a must-have. Great value for the price. Click the Amazon link below and grab yours while stock lasts. Number 16. BILIONE Luggage. Strap spotting your bag at baggage claim is faster with these luggage straps. The BILIONE luggage straps secure your suitcase while adding visibility and protection during travel. Adjustable and durable, they help prevent accidental openings and make your luggage easy to identify. Perfect for busy airports and long trips, they add peace of mind for very little cost. A simple upgrade that really works. Amazon supplies are limited. Click the link now and pick yours up. Number 17. BAODINI Travel Umbrella. This compact umbrella is built for travelers who hate surprises from the weather. The BAODINI Travel Umbrella folds small but opens strong, handling rain and wind with ease. Lightweight and sturdy, it fits perfectly into backpacks and carry-ons without adding bulk. Ideal for city trips or outdoor adventures, it's reliable when you need it most. At this price, it's a smart buy. Amazon deals are limited. Click the link and grab one today. Number 18. MiiKARE Phone Holder. Whether you're driving across cities or exploring new routes, this phone holder makes travel safer. The MiiKARE phone holder keeps your device stable for navigation, calls, or music control. Strong grip and adjustable angles mean no shaking or slipping, even on rough roads. Easy installation makes it travel-friendly for any car. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you traveled without it. Limited Amazon stock. Click the link below before it sells out. Number 19. Kohl K-Night Cigar Case for cigar lovers on the move. This case is a must-have. The Kohl K-Night cigar case protects your cigars from damage while keeping them fresh during travel. Sleek, durable, and compact, it fits easily into bags or carry-ons. Perfect for business trips or vacations, it adds style and protection in one smart design. A great gift or personal upgrade. Amazon availability is limited. Click the link in the description and grab yours now. Number 20. Vlando Jewelry Case. Finish your packing with confidence using the Vlando Jewelry Case. Designed to keep rings, necklaces, and earrings secure, it prevents tangles and scratches while traveling. Elegant on the outside and smartly organized inside, it's perfect for both short trips and long vacations. Lightweight yet protective, it feels premium without the high price. A smart buy for organized travelers. Amazon deals won't last. Click the link below and secure yours today. That wraps up our 20 must-have travel essentials on Amazon for every trip. Each item is designed to upgrade your travel experience with comfort, safety, and convenience. These deals won't last long, so click the links in the description and grab your favorites before they're gone.